let's do a little more of what we did yesterday for our warm-up. The first picture is bat. And remember how we used the dots like a stoplight to do the first sound green, middle sound yellow, and the ending sound red. So let's do bat. B-at. Bat. Let's try box. Box. Ready? B-ox. Box. How about cat? Ready? K-at. Cat. And let's try dog. Ready? D-o-g. Dog. Let's do the hen. Hen. All right? The mama chicken is called the hen. H-N. Hen. This picture is jam, kind of like jelly. It's jam. Let's do jam. J-am. Jam. Pig. Ready? P-ig. Pig. Couple more here. Here's red. Just the color red. Ready? R-ed. Red. And number 6. Ready? S-ix. 6. Okay. Some good practice there. Now remember we're talking about I, long I. And you remember our poem about I was I's my name, 2 sounds have I, short I in pig, long I in pie. So short I says I, and long I says its name. It says I. We are going to be listening today for the I sound in the middle of words. All right? So when I say a word, if you hear the I sound in the middle, hold up your I flashcard. Ready? Which? Title. Did you hear that? Title. Vine. There it is. Mass. Ride. Beat. Mice. Life. Note. Hide. There it is. Roll. Plum. No. All right. Now, let's take a look at the words behind me. We're going to be looking for some words that have the long I in them. So take a look at our first group. We have blue words and we have pink words today. And I had to squish them all on one side so we could do our stoplight sounds on the other side of the chart. So taking a look at these two, blue or pink, which one says bike? Which one says bike? Yes, it has to be the pink because there it is. There's that I. B-ike. Bike. And it has silent E on the end to make the I say its name. All right, we're checking out these words over here. Okay, blue or pink? Which one says pike? Pike. You're right. It has to be pink because there's that I. Pike. Pike. And it has the silent E. All right, taking a look. Blue or pink? Which word would say idea? Idea. You're right. It is the blue one. There's that I. Idea. There it is. All right. Blue or pink? Which word says icy? Icy, like the roads are so icy. Yes, it is the blue. There's that I at the beginning. Icy. All right. Checking out. Blue or pink? Which word would say Iowa? Iowa. It has to be the blue. There it is. And it's a capital I because Iowa is the name of a state. And the name of a state, Iowa. All right, last one. Which word, blue or pink, would say item? Item. You're right. It's the pink because there's that I. Item. Item. All right. Now today for your work, you will be doing page 35. And on page 35, you will be working on handwriting for the number 3 and the number word 3. So let's take a look at how you would make the number 3 using your lines as a guide. All right, starting at the top, you're going to go around and stop at the middle, and then around and stop at the bottom to make a 3. Now let's write the number word 3. 3. Did you see what happened? My tongue went between my top and bottom teeth. Must be a TH. 3. You're right. So T and H. or the first is the first sound that you hear. Thr. Did you hear that R? Yep. Thr. E. And there's that long E sound. And in order to make that long E sound, there's actually 2 E's to make that sound. So here's an E, and here's an E. So that's the number word 3. So the number 3 and the number word 3. And like I said, today, that's what you will be doing is page 35. You're going to make the number 3, you're going to trace and then write it. Then you're going to trace and write the number word 3. And when you're all done with page 35, you can upload your work to Schoology.